All right, thanks so much, Paul. Election day polls will open in less than 24 hours from now. And this morning, we do have team coverage to get you ready for this very big week.
Right now, our Mercedes McKay is live for us at Wentzville with all that you'll need to know about the last day of early voting.
But first, let's head out to Diamond Palmer, who is live for us in downtown St. Louis. And Diamond, the Department of Justice is now keeping a very close eye on St. Louis city polls tomorrow.
Yeah, Michelle and Rennie, that's why we don't know exactly why the Department of Justice has picked St. Louis City to be on this list that they're monitoring ahead of Election Day. But we do know that St. Louis isn't the only city on this list. There's about 86 cities total in about 27 states. And the Department of Justice says they simply want to make sure that everyone who can vote is able to do so without any interruptions. So the Department of Justice says this is sort of kind of a routine thing that they do to basically send staff to monitor compliance with federal civil rights laws in elections, including at several different polling places. Monitors will be sent, including people from the Civil Rights Division and the U.S. Attorney's offices, with other people from federal agencies. And the DOJ's Civil Rights Division will also be available all day long to answer questions about voting rights laws if you need them. If you feel your Election Day rights have been violated, you can make a report by calling the number on your screen. That's 800-253-3931. And Missouri Secretary of State Jay Ashcroft spoke out about the DOJ's plan and posted to X by saying, quote, "What is the legal basis for the DOJ to enter our polling places? Missouri law restricts who may enter polling places, voting to protect our citizens' right to suffrage." So the FBI also says they are keeping a close eye on everything in compliance with the DOJ's efforts. And they say ahead of possible allegations of voter fraud or even violence, or even people having their civil rights disrupted, they say that they are going to install a command post to be manned 24 hours around the clock ahead of tomorrow's election. Reporting live here in St. Louis, Diamond Palmer, 5 on your side.
Thanks so much, Diamond. Also, we want to tell you about something that just came in overnight from Illinois about election monitoring as well.
Yeah, overnight, Illinois Attorney General announced that 200 teams of assistant attorney generals and investigators will monitor the general election across the state. But the DOJ is not sending investigators anywhere in Illinois tomorrow.